Ministry ya MITITU na maria maturigiciirie ni hinyiriirie itua ria kuhingura MITITU ni ria bata hari kugacirithia utonga wa bururi. Minista wa MITITU SOIPAN TUIYA oigite no MITITU ira ihanditwo irigethagwo kuraika 12,000 ciritemagwo oro mwaka.
By no means is the lift of the moratorium touching on our indigenous forest. The chair has properly stated that the lift of the moratorium affects only 5% of our gazetted forests, and the rest 2.5 million hectares is intact, and we are going to work around the clock to make sure that we protect our resources.
Oigete bururi ukoretwo ukigura indo citiganite cia mbao kuma mabururi ma nanja ukirikana bururi uhuthiraga muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3 oro mwaka.
No point in importing some very basic wood products. I think we even import toothpick, beds, chairs, and yet we have the capacity to sustainably do commercial forestry in this country.
Forest is business, and he has become a millionaire out of trees. So we cannot also plant trees and let them go to waste. That is why the element of harvesting comes in.
Thutha wa thirikari gukirirwo ni kuhingura MITITU gukerekana ni ucungireirie uthukangia munene wa MITITU ni utemi wa miti na ucini wa makara. TUIYA oigite undu uyu ucungireirio ni MITITU kwaga kuirigwo.
Seek the support of our partners. When you help us with the fencing of our wetlands, we can plant trees all year round. We will restore our water sources, and as well as, with the natural regeneration, we are going to meet our 15 billion target even before the 10 years go down the road.
Niguo kuhukia thina uyu mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya MITITU Gitonga Mugambi oigite ministry iri na itanya ria kwiriga makiria ma KIROMITA 9,000 cia MITITU.
The perimeter of our forest is about 13,000 kilometers, and to date we have fenced about 5,000, or rather 13,000, we have fenced about 4,000. We have 9,000 kilometers to go.
Hari kioneki gia kuhanda miti bilioni 15 thiini wa miaka 10, Minista oigite undu uyu ni gukinyanira kwa ihinda ikuhi akirongoreria uhandi wa miti thiini wa itombo ya 10,000.
The ministry will leverage on emerging issues including the carbon markets, artificial intelligence, to ensure that our vision of a clean, safe, healthy, sustainably managed, resilient environment and natural resources is achieved.
Mwenene wake Minista munene Musalia Mudavadi oigite kuri na thina wa kuongerereka gwa ciara cia giko bururi-ini akigweta kiara kia Dandora kiria githiite na mbere na kwandandamuka na gukinya eka 100 ria 20.
Need to make a deliberate effort and set funds aside, made available, so that the issue around Dandora can be dealt with effectively.
Atongoria mekwaragia hindi ya kuruguria mutaratara wa kwaririria kioneki kia ministry no thiini wa miaka 5 yukite.
Naomba tutamatishe.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wanjiku.